ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Menteri Rangba jong kejelau Conrad Congress Sangma ula Kyntait ban Kyntait Eiei Halor ke Reservation Policy hadin baka samla barilang pingrop ke badang puli ke Master of Science ke Subject Agriculture kalami syakmat ban dawa ya ke Sarkar jela baka dewan bishar biang ban pentemai no ya ke Reservation Policy ke bala kenjo menta ya kerta ke bala San Posnem. Hakajingnya Kren bat kilat patai kubor Menteri Rangba ula ongru Bon ki nongelam jong ki sengsan perthai ki tip bha halor kani kamat bat ki pat baru kumju henrei kamlong bat ka basuk ban syia Kren na bakadai ka kam ka bakham kelan bat ka bala ban kta ki pat ba nong song snong hapo kani ka jilla.
The commissions have asked for additional time because the terms of references that were given to them was very broad, and hence at the request of the chairpersons of those commissions, extensions have been given. But we are hopeful that soon the commissions will be submitting the report. We have been discussing with everybody that this is not the appropriate time to discuss this matter. It's a very complicated matter, and this has got larger repercussions in the larger national scenario, and therefore at this point in time it would not be appropriate for the government to look into that aspect, as it would impact the state and its people in a large way. So therefore we have not gone into details of that, and most of the political leaders are aware about the issues. Most of the even the largest section of society is aware about those issues, and therefore this may not be the appropriate time to discuss that. As I said, it may have larger ramifications for the society and for the tribals of our state as a whole.